following directions apply to wood and metal posts. Pull the cable through the post. Slide the washer over the cable. Push the cable into the pull lock fitting from the opposite end of the flange. Twist the cable to the right with the lay of the cable as you push it into the fitting. Hold the fitting and pull the cable until the fitting rests inside the post. Cut the cable as close to the end of the fitting as possible. Tighten the cable from the tensioning end. Press the stainless steel cap onto the end of the pull lock fitting.